हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल स्टॉक्स बाय पुरवाल। मैं हूं आशी पुरवाल एंड मैं आज आपको बताने वाली हूं टेक्निकल एनालिसिस के बारे में। सो व्हेन पीपल थिंक ऑफ टेक्निकल एनालिसिस, दे ईदर थिंक ऑफ इट एज डिफिकल्ट और बोरिंग। वेल गाइज, इट्स नॉट. It requires little of your time and effort, but it can be both fun and easy to learn. So there are questions about technical analysis. Why you should learn it? It is important for all type of traders, intraday, swing trader, and even if you are a long-term investor, there is one major advantage of learning technical analysis. Something which fundamental analysis doesn't give you, and that advantage is when to buy and when to sell a share. This one thing, knowing approximately when to enter and exit a stock, can be huge advantage in you becoming a successful stock trader or investor. Now again, a second question one must be thinking is, what is technical analysis? So in short, technical analysis is a way of predicting future price movement by analyzing the price movement in the past. जो पहले हो चुका है वो दोबारा होगा. टेक्निकल एनालिसिस भी इसी सिमिलर कॉन्सेप्ट पे वर्क करता है और अज्यूम करता है दैट समथिंग दैट हैज़ हैपन इन द पास्ट कुड हैपन अगेन इन फ्यूचर, एज जिसे हिस्ट्री रिपीट इटसेल्फ. वैसे टेक्निकल एनालिसिस कितना सही होता है? कभी कभी क्या होता है, वेदर बहुत अच्छा हो रहा होता है, तेज़ हवाएं होती है, क्लाउडी हो रहा होता है, हम समझ जाते हैं कि बारिश होने वाली है. But even then, sometime it rains, and sometime even if there are heavy clouds, it may not rain that day. Technical analysis is similar. You can fairly accurately predict the movement of a stock, but you cannot always predict it with 9% accuracy. Again a question, how is technical analysis done? So जो traders होते हैं, they do technical analysis with any indicator. All they need is the chart with the pattern that the price has formed and nothing else. There is no point complicating it. It is simple. And last but not the least, how much time to learn technical analysis? I can say 2 months and you can kickstart. Join our 2-month stock training program. For more updates, visit our site www.stocksbyporval.com given in caption. Do follow our channel for more such updates. Stay tuned. Thank you. Bye bye guys.